Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim from Tech112. On this video guys of today, I have to explain a little bit about the Huawei P20. I know a lot of people, they're like, oh my god, this kind of device just came out on March, but why Abdul, you explaining it on May? Okay, I'm a little bit explaining it on May because we all know that OnePlus 6 is already round up and it's here. We have it. I don't have it here, but I mean that officially globally it's there. Another kind of stuff upon the Huawei P20 has a triple camera, which is something which it captured me and I thought that I could share with you guys, which is very great. That 40 megapixel, it will never let you down whenever you're in a low lighting, because the aperture and the way the exposure captures the images and the video inside the device, it's very great. Another kind of stuff upon this device comes with a 128 GB of storage, but there's something which you should know before purchasing this device, or you just want to know about this device. This device has no memory card slot. Huawei just thought that, you know what, you guys, you need storage, we give to you 128 GB storage. Will you guys finish all of it? But wait, if you finish all of it, we give you cloud storage. Now that's what's up upon the Huawei. Another kind of stuff upon this device has a 6 GB of RAM, which is very great. When it comes to gaming, it will never let you down, and when it comes to multitasking, it's very smoothly on handling apps. Another kind of stuff about this device, its chipset, it's Kirin. Now these kind of device chipsets, and you all know that there's something called Snapdragon, MediaTek, Qualcomm, Helium, Kirin, and all a bunch of chipsets out there. But this kind of chipset, it's very robust when it comes to chipset. Another kind of stuff about this Huawei, it rocks octa-core processor, which is 2.4 gigahertz, which is 4 times faster, very fast, which is very great, which is not rocking the best. Now the Huawei P20 has a 4000 mAh battery, which it won't make your day become so hard feeling. You know what I'm saying? No hard feelings when it comes to a day. Another kind of stuff upon the Huawei P20 got me excited. It's upon this device has a water resistant, IP67 water resistant inside this device, and I was like, woof, this is dope. Water resistant upon this device gives you 1 meter and a little bit of couple of minutes, so as you can just toss it down, because you can swim with the device for the whole day, because you just penetrate water inside it and you'll just like being frustrated, and Huawei can help you for that, because you're the one who just put the phone into the swimming pool. You know what I'm saying? Be careful with your device. Another kind of stuff upon this Huawei, it's very great when it comes to its own kind of operating system. We all know that it's Android, but there's something which runs upon it. It's a skin. This is an Android 8.1 Oreo, we all know that, but it has a skin on top of it. It's like MUI. Oh, it's like Exynos, or it's just like the way the Oxygen OS for the OnePlus it is. Then Huawei has its own fluidy skin on top of it, which is very great when it comes to Android, because even Samsung has their own fluid skin on top of Android, which is very great. Now thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, let me know in the comments down below. If you find this video not that much interesting too, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't subscribe, make sure that you just subscribe. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't hit that thumbs up, it would be very amazing if you hit it up right now, and it would be very great. And we are on our journey to hit that 1000 subscribers, which is very great and amazing. Now if you didn't subscribe, make sure that you just subscribe and turn your bell notification, so as whenever I upload a new video you can get it ASAP. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.